你好
Hello, nice to meet you. I will be your tour guide through the Great Wall of China. Together we will discover the history behind this ancient and wonderful place. We will interact through the way. I will ask you some questions, and according to your answer, the tour keeps going or it is modified to improve the performance. Do you want to start the tour now, or do you want to hear the previous information one more time?
你